Now, we will start with our basic principles. Basic foundation of our Ayurveda. Pancha Mahabhuta Siddhanta. Earth, air, fire, water and ether, what we call Sarvam Dravam Panchabhautikam Asmin Arthe. Anything you see, whatever you hold, whatever you check in or feel in and everything, it's all done by Panchamahabhutas. It's no words we can say without Panchamahabhuta. Space, air, fire, earth, water. This is to be known by everyone and anyone how Panchamahabhuta is made in our body and in the medicament. Yatha Pindanda Tata Anda. How I am made, even Anda, Pindanda, there is whole world also is been done with the same Panchamahabhuta. It's a beautiful concept. What is required or what is lacking in mind, the same component can be filled by outside world environmental Panchamahabhutas. Whether the objects are living creations or non-living objects all are composed of Panchamahabhutas. Here, ether is called in our Ayurvedic sciences Anala, space Akasha, air as Anala, fire as Agni, earth as Prithvi, water as Aap. This is what we name into it. If you see, every object with the form shall have water or earth, whichever we can hold in dominance along with the other three. Nothing is separated out. If you take a water, it's an Aap condition. If you start boiling it, it starts with the fire. It starts evaporating. Then one time you cannot see even vapors also. Or if you condense it, it becomes into earth content wise. So there is all the aspects in the water we can see. Or even coal, though appears to be partly or dominant, has a tendency to burn because of the higher level presence of fire element in it. In the human body, if we check in, bone tissue is the hardest and has the Prithvi Mahabhuta dominance here. But inside there is a space. Because of the blood exactly moving into it, we can see the fire. Because it moves, air is there. Each sensory organ also is having its own sense of perception, which cannot deviate again. It also has to be taken into here. Name of the sensory organ, if we check in, Shrotendriya we say, ears. But object of perception will be sound here, Shabda. But here Akasha Mahabhuta we can see here. Means space. Then only the sound can move or hear, feel. In Sparshendriya, it is a skin. But Sparshana, tactile sensation is there. Vayu Mahabhuta is there. In Chakshurendriya, eyes, Rupa, we can see appearance or a form. Tejas is there. Rasanendriyas, tongue, Rasana, taste, Aap Mahabhuta is there. Granendriya, nose, Gandha, smell, Prithvi Mahabhuta is there. These are the Mahabhutas predominantly we can see in these objects. And in our Indriyas. So, our Gnanendriyas also are with the, mainly we can say with Panchamahabhuta aspects. Even if you check in rock, it's also made up of 5 elements with predominance of earth and maybe one of the Mahabhuta we can see as a predominant. So that rest of the things do follow with that. Even if you check in, if I give a clear example, water is a normal state appears to have a Aap Mahabhuta, water element, in predominantly. In solidified states, as I explained, earth element we can see. On heating, solid water becomes liquefied, presence of Agni Mahabhuta in it, When the same water is boiled, it becomes steam, then providing air element further, it dissipates into space, Akasha Mahabhuta. Means all the Mahabhutas we touch in to cover our Panchamabhuta senses. Lokapurusha Samyatha. Keeping the earlier principles in our Panchamabhuta is upheld in the body also, and even in universe it is similar. In medical practice, we just balance our universal Mahabhuta in Purusha, that is a human body Mahabhutas, whichever the part is deficient here. Samanya Vishesha Siddhanta, what we call. What is required for me that I have to provide. That's all we have to do it here. Then you can maintain the health aspects beautifully or moksha till the end. Visarga dana vikshepahi soma surya anilayata dharayanti jagadam deham kapha pitta anilastada. Giving, receiving and destruction, that's movement, are the three activities happening in the universe. Soma is a moon, Surya the sun, Anila the air. These are the three factors govern the universe through giving, receiving and destroying activities. Any activity in the universe can be included under these three categories only, like giving, receiving and destruction. Similarly, in the body, Kapha, Pitta and Vata or Anila we can say are governing factors which maintain the integrity of human body by giving, receiving and destroying. Similar between the Loka and Purusha. Loka is our universe, whereas Purusha is our human body. Active principle in both are the creator in Loka. In Purusha, Atma is the creator, he is, and that's the cause of life. In active principles, if we check in the table, second, composition, both are of Panchamahabhutas. What is the cause of life here? Structure formation, any form or a shape with the physical qualities it is being mentioned. Visarga, Soma or moon, Kapha, promotion of strength can be seen here. In Adana, Surya, Pitta, extracting the energy, transformation, digestion and metabolism. The changes can happen here, we can see. In Vikshepa, that's Vayu or air. Vayu, displacement, destruction, movement. So here also we are seeing all the kinds. Visarga, Adana, Vikshepahi, Soma, Surya, Anila. They are the same line in the first sloka. Dharayanti, Jagada Deham, Kapha, Pitta, Anila. Same way, in our body, Kapha, Pitta, Anila takes care of it. Means our Sharira as well as Anda and Pindanda. Both are, Anda is a universe, Pindanda is myself, Purisha. So both actually work in the same manner. This is what we can see here. Keeping this principle, the whole Ayurveda therapies has been evolved. Samanya Vishesha Siddhanta. This is the principle which can be applied in every action and situations. Okay. Sarvada Sarva Bhavanam Samanyam Vruttikaranam Rasadedo Visheshe Sacha. In all given situations, similarity is the reason for increase or dissimilarity is for reducing. Simple example if you can take in, consuming of excess oil food will increase fat in my body. The fat content in the food as well as fat content already existed in my body increases the fat content. Inadequate or poor quality of food consumption causes malnutrition. First of all, I am malnourished. With that, I am having the food which is not at all nourished. So, I will be malnourished. Deficiency occurs more Further, this Samana Vishaya Siddhanta can be more based on three objects, quality and actions we can see. The treatment of the patients we do see, like it's again Samana Vishaya Siddhanta only, three folds based on subjects or quality and action we can see. To improve muscle bulk, if it taken, the same object of material like mutton or meat can be given to increase muscle bulk. The similar quality is observed in black gram, sesame seeds can be used. The similar activity to enhance muscle bulk is by ashwagandha. In any manner, we can give these things in the object basis, quality and action to Samana Vishaya Siddhanta to enhance the aspect whatever is necessary. Some yoga vibhaga siddhanta also see any action can occur only in two ways. There can be coming together or parting separate, like attraction and repulsion observed in magazines. Similar to Samana Vishaya Siddhanta, this principle also results either in extension or in reduction of our body. Here also, if you just check in, the food consumed is churned into small particles, which is because of vibhaga. It divides. The food consumed when it comes in contact with the digestive juices, the gastrium. This is best example, samyoga. It is samyoga, it joined exactly. Ahara rasa, which is formed in all small intestines, are absorbed through the walls of the intestines. And the solid waste is formed, so feces is formed. This is because of vibhaga, means sara, that's a nutrient, and kitta, that is mala, it's divided here. So each component of food is acted upon the specific principles in the body and made suitable for absorption. So vibhaga also is very much needed, and some yoga also of the aspects are needed for our health aspects to proceed. Later in the next session, I'll be covering with Tridosha Siddhanta in the next class.